Facelifts, collagen boosting, fine line reduction and home therapy. Who doesn't want that, right? House of Beauty India has thus introduced the Facelift Pro, a professional level home use device that can be used in the luxury or the comfort of your home 3 times a week. What it does? Well, it has EMS technology or electrical muscle stimulation technology, which plumps up, boosts the muscle. So once your muscles boosted, the skin on top of it stretches, thus reducing the fine line appearance and aging appearance. What it also does, because of this constant microcurrent that it's stimulating the muscle now gets a full-blown workout or face yoga massage without putting in hours of exercising onto your face and thus giving you lifted, tightened, sculpted skin. What do you get in the box? Well, the Facelift Pro, of course, which you need to charge 24 hours before you use it. Once it's fully charged, there would be 5 blue lights that would come up here. You also get a conducting collagen serum. Now remember, this device will not work without the serum or the conducting gel, and hence both must be used together. Who can use it? Well, men and women both above the age of 30 can use this 3 times a week for about 15 minutes. How do you clean the device? All you have to do is clean the top knobs or the silver balls of this Facelift Pro with a damp towel or a cloth. Do not wash this, please. It's an electrical device, should not be washed or put under water and should not be refrigerated either. So, let's start with how to use this device. Use the serum, take a few drops of this serum and apply it on zones of your face. Don't use it all over your face because then the serum will dry and you would have to frequently reapply. I'm going to take some drops of the serum, put it into the palm of my hand because I do not want microbial transfer onto my bottle. Rub and dab it onto this region. I'm going to work out my jaw and jowl region first. A good safe level to start with the device is level 3. Place 2 fingers to support or anchor your skin here. Both the balls of this device can be placed like this if you are lifting or like this if you are sculpting onto your jaw. Once you are ready, slowly move the device. Twist when you want to lift droopy corners of your lips. Moving to your jaw and jowl and release. Do not come back with the device. Move very slowly. You will hear this beep every 3 seconds. That means the device needs to be moved on from one part to the other part of your face and should not be stationary on a certain part of your skin for too long. Once you've done this, do this 3 to 6 times. Reapply your collagen serum on zone 2. Take it in your palm. Dab it all over your cheek. Take the Facelift Pro, this time perpendicular to your zygomatic like this. Twisting, lifting your nasolabial, lifting the zygomatic, twisting up here, building muscle memory again. Again, do this 3 to 6 times. Take some collagen serum for your under eye now because reapplication is also essential. Dab it onto your under eye, upper lid area. Whatever serum is left, use it for your hands age as well, or your neck. The best part about this device is you can use it onto your hands to stop or delay, you can't stop, but delay aging, and also use it onto your feet with the collagen serum, of course. For your under eye, I would want you to place the device like this under the eye. Swipe and twist, gently moving the device like this, targeting any under eye fine lines, crow's feet lines or droopy corners of your eye. For your upper lid strengthening, I know screen time is weakening the upper eyelid muscle for all of us. The orbicularis oculi, as I like to call it. For that, you will place one ball on the upper eyelid and one above your eyebrow. Gently move the device, twist to lift, move on into your hairline, tuck. It's a very easy to use device once you get the hang of it. For your forehead, once you've reapplied the collagen serum, I want you to use this device in an upward direction when you are lifting. This will also lift droopy eyebrows or that corrugator muscle, which helps us get the surprised look. In case you wake up with swelling or have a puffy face, then I would want you to go along your forehead and then reduce and bring the puffiness till your collarbone, wriggling it out like this. The device will automatically go off when you are done working out on half of your face. That means that you need to restart for the other half of your face. Reapply the serum, work out on zones as I have taught you. For your nose, I want you to use some serum, dab it onto your nose and just use this like this. For your upper lip lines or smoker lines, a lot of us get smoker lines, Marie Antoinette lines. How to tackle them? I want you to mum your lips like this and just move the FaceLift Pro upwards, creating a U. Follow along. So what I am doing here is I'm swiping, tucking, lifting. As you can see, my device went off on its own. I will switch it off, put it on level 3 and swipe, lift. Works on my lines, lifts my nasolabial. You want further lifting? Go all the way up and twist. For your neck, remember our neck also ages, neck also needs lifting. For drainage, you will first apply the serum and do a downward massage like this. And for neck lifting, when the neck ages, it tends to become loose or clusters here in the center. And that's why we need to place the device like this and then move on outwards till our earlobes, tucking it here, building muscle memory. HOB FaceLift Pro microcurrenting device is great for those who have done Botox or fillers or for those who are looking at non-invasive solutions. It's the latest technology in the market for face lifting and face tightening at home. Use 3 times a week, wake up to plumpened face and lifted skin. Happy pampering!